My name is Hima A. Devur, and I'm currently pursuing my final year at MS Ramaya. Overall, my internship was great. I gained hands-on experience on real-world projects.
And
Uh,
why did you choose Princeton when there were so many other options on the portal?
so basically, one of my friends, like when I was finding, internship in using the VTU portal, one of my friend had already joined Princeton, so she recommended me to join as well.
Okay, what did you enjoy the most during the span of internship?
I enjoyed the how the courses were paced from the basics till the advanced, and how
Okay.
we gain hands-on experience on the projects.
Okay, what's your domain?
Data science.
Did the internship meet your expectations?
Yes, it was great.
Did we answer all your doubts? Any challenges did you feel face?
I didn't face any uh, challenges during the course.
Okay, what new skills did you learn here?
How the data science is applied on the real world projects.
Okay, which technical concepts are clear now?
Everything regarding the data science, how it helps in projects and real world.
Okay. Okay, how confident are you now in applying these skills out of 5?
4, ma'am.
How do you rate the mentor support or guidance provided?
5.
Did the sessions help you improve your practical knowledge?
Yes, it was clear and easy to understand.
Okay, were the sessions easy to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, did you receive enough support during documentation and technical phase?
Yes, it was, I got all the documents much more earlier before even the college, announced
Okay.
these documents were required.
Which session or activity was more useful for you?
The project, I know how project
Okay.
sessions.
Okay, so you received all the documents on time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how was your experience working on a project and what project are you working on?
So my project is the student mental health prediction. I understood how from the start, the data is analyzed as well as deploying uh,
Okay,
the front
great.
end.
Has this internship increased your interest in the field?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you feel more prepared now for placements?
Yes.
Are you placed?
Yes, ma'am. I am
Which
placed.
company?
I've placed in two companies. One is BizEquity and the other one is Infosys.
Great. What's the package you got in both of the companies?
In Infosys, it's 6.5, and in BizEquity, it is 8.
Great. That's really nice. Would you recommend this internship to other students?
Yes, ma'am, surely.
What improvements would you suggest for Princeton for future internships we offer, or do you think it's properly structured?
It is properly structured, no complaints at all.
Okay. Is there anything we should change to improve the student experience?
No, ma'am, I think it is great how we have,
Okay.
both online and
Okay. Rate the internship experience out of 10.
10 itself.
Rate mentor support out of 5.
5,
Rate yourself out of 5.
4,
Rate Princeton out of 5.
5.
Okay. Thank you, dear. One more question. Sorry, I forgot to
Yes,
ask
ma'am.
this. Do you think Princeton should continue on the video platform?
Yes, ma'am. I think it is doing wonderful job providing, internship, and, all the concepts are cleared, and even the documentations are.
Or do you
So
think
basically, I've built a student mental health prediction using the machine learning. So this is the dashboard which contains all the diagrams and the graph that was done using the collab, which gives us more insights on what features it affects the depression. Depression, student health is a major concern at this age. So it is much more uh, better to predict the risk of depression earlier to support students. So there's an option here, which is where the a new user can enter a student can enter his or her data, which tells us whether the person is under the risk of depression. So, after entering the details, you can see whether the student is under depression or not. So based upon the result, there are either few suggestions and motivation that is being displayed here. So this shows that the student is on high depression risk. So these are the features
yeah,
that
that's
were
great. Thank you so much for presenting. Sorry for the disturbance from my end.